Okay, next, ang pang-anim naman. We have Cleopatra Montilla kasama ang kanyang pamilya. Okay, we have Robin Samar. Kasama ang kanyang asawa na si Jeffrey Inyon. Robin Samar, Regine Samar, with Sir Lawrence Plana. Kasama ang kanyang mga anak. We have Rafa and Riley. And Rufino Samar at Ma'am Aral Hindo. Okay, at ang pampitong anak o second child ng aming inang si Neves, we have Susana Montilla Mahinay. Alright, for the information of everyone, si Auntie Susan at Auntie Cleopatra ay mula pa, nanggaling pa po sa Maynila. Okay, pumunta po dito in order for us to grace this first ever grad family reunion of Asher and Brona Balsita. Alright, we have we have Jake, Jomar, and Jeanette, Rihanna, Akira, Jasmine, Coraline, Pearl, Joshua, Jewel, and Princess. Alright, once again, isang malakas naman na sigawan at palakpakan para po sa aming Nieves Balsita Montilla Clan. And thank you so much po at maraming salamat for the warm up welcome. Alright, maraming po ito lang dito po. Ito na lang. Ano na lang. Sige. Next, follow po. Thank you, the Nieves Clan. Is leader honorable right now. Representing your band, which is the Nieves Clan. Alright. Feature muna tayo before the dance game. Alright, Nieves Clan, and arrange yourself for your group with feature 20.